Hello guys, how are you? This is Gio from investmentsavings.co.uk, Managing Director of Zara Capital Limited. And today Sunday, 30th of September, last day of the month. Okay, so we had fantastic week. One of the accounts is already overreached 84% mark, and balance in equity you can see is healthy and solid at £55,345. Okay, so let's have a look at technical analysis, what's happening, what happened last week, and what should we anticipate this coming week. So let's have a look first of all at an hourly chart. Okay, we see that last week we had still, starting from here, I did mention on 21st, if you remember my last video, and it was documented, it was recorded on Friday, and I did say that there is a possibility for the market to go any further, and I did say, in this range to sell. I did say that anything above 100 moving average go for buy, and exactly as I did it happen, and which is fantastic. And I did say on a 5-minute chart, I did say the price is getting consolidated, and I love this momentum in the market. That's our consolidation here. 21st, the market was all closing, and I did record live my performance, all the positions and whatever was at that time going on. So let's have a look. Yes, I did say, the price is getting consolidated. This is what I call consolidation, and whatever will shoot through, this is where the market will go. So anything below that, we had a confirmation through moving average 100, moving average 200, trend line, and etc. We did take calculated risk, and the trade had a reason to go ahead with. Well, we had a reason to go ahead with the trade. So we had a reason to enter, we had the logical calculation, and as I do say all the time, that we take raw data and we make out of it sense. It can be applied to any market, any shares, any stocks, anything can be calculated with using technical analysis. So let's have a look at what's happening now. Let me just go further. What was happening? Just bear with me a second, guys. Okay. So at the moment, what we see that there is a there is a downtrend, and I'll show it to you the reason why there is a downtrend, what's happening, and then we'll get to the certain news and more or less general information which was and is fed through the, so to speak, tube. Okay, let's have a look at an hourly chart. Okay, we all remember that these two levels here, which been played out, and we'll get to this point in a minute from the daily chart. Okay, this is what we had. We had the lowest level in the last couple of weeks, which was here, 28. So, and then the price bounced, and this is where it stopped. Okay, exactly. Beautiful Fibonacci retracement at 0.38, did bounce from there, was played out perfectly. So we have confirmation, didn't break through the Fibonacci. Okay, then what we have moving average 200 worked here as a resistance, and price come down all the way, break through the moving average 100, and at the moment sits here. Okay, I did go for sell here. I did make my last profit last week. It was another £100, and you can check it on the website. It's all documented with weekly and fortnightly reports, snapshots, and the videos which I'm recording now. So what should we expect now? Look at the situation here. What we have this level here, 1, 2, second level here, which is very important, and I'll explain to you why this level is important. and last one, which is today, basically. Then, well, last, today, and so to speak, and take into consideration, let's say yesterday, because market will open in a couple of hours. So look what's happening. Price bottomed out here. Okay, it bounced. It did bottom out here. However, it break through, got to the lowest level, 28. I'll say, let's go 28.28. Did bounce back, get through moving average 100, didn't get through moving average 200, Fibonacci, etc. Came down all the way to the same level, okay, sort of support level. And what's happening now? I would say I would personally go for sell in this area here. Okay, I'll go in for sell. I'll just put this one here just for. Okay, I would go for sell in this area somewhere here, 28. Anything below 28.30, definitely for sell. The price did bottom out, but however, there is still possibility for the price to play out this Fibonacci level here at 27.37, definitely. That's going to be the target if the price will break through these sort of levels here. Am I going to be doing anything today? I mean, it's Sunday. Don't think so, because I don't really like, unless there's important sort of important news are coming out, or some sort of bank intervention. Probably, I wouldn't be doing anything trading wise now. I will be waiting. Definitely will go for a sell here. Now let's see, we're 70 pips, not bad. We'll test this area. I'll go for buy here, and then what can happen, the price can go all the way up here. There is a possibility for the price to go and even come back to these levels, but considering the news, I understand Spanish banks, they went through certain tests, like if I'm not mistaken, 6 or 7 they do need a bailout, other 6, 7 they don't need, but the overall atmosphere in Spain and all the markets which have experienced in the last couple of days, they are they do confirm that there is uncertainty in the markets, and investors, they're not sure. They're basically the currency is nervous, and the markets are nervous. So I personally think the price will carry on going down. But as you know, we're not in business to predict anything. We're just here to analyze raw data, apply tight risk control and management, and take profits when the market gives us to take the profits. However, if the price gets to this level here again, I will go for buy, because again, it's indication that the price is growing, and the price doesn't want to go any lower. So I personally think now in the next couple of hours the price will just carry on going sideways, and then once it breaks through this level, I'll go for sell, and we'll see where it's gonna, so to speak, stop. Within a day, it's very easy for the currency to get to this level. We'll go for buy here just to test it. Definitely will go for buy on this level as well, Fibonacci 0.50. If as I did mention before, if these two will break through and you take certain losses here, it's a confirmation that the downtrend carries on. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay, exactly. All this we all remember, I did mention, is all this huge momentum and downtrend stopped at this level, been played out here perfectly, superbly. Now it's, as I said, might come back to this level, played out, if not even further here. So what can happen? It did play out, can stop in any area and carry on going higher, even to the level of 135. But we'll see. Our philosophical approach to trading. We don't try to predict anything. We're in a business to make money. Okay, so what we should be expecting, we have tomorrow at 3 o'clock manufacturing data from the States. Just keep an eye on that. It's not gonna affect much, depending how much data will come out. I mean, how negative it will be or how positive. They do say that it's improved by 0.2%. Then we have on Thursday Federal Open Market Committee at 7 o'clock. Now this one is really interesting. Just keep an eye on that on this meeting as well, guys. It's going to be happening at 7 o'clock. So I might not have volatility at that time, but later on when the Japanese and Australians will join, and then the following day European session opens up, that can have very volatile impact on the currency. And the last one, and not least, we have Friday, non-farm payrolls at 1:30. Very important, crucial. Just keep an eye. Do not enter the trade before. Just see how the market will react. And if you've done your calculation, you put your risk management in place, and you're quite confident what you do, then of course go ahead. You do need to risk. Well, without risk, there's no rewards. So yes, as you can see, fantastic performance. We're taking it slowly. We've got all the time in the world. Our approach is all about patience and just analyze data all the time. So at the moment, as we see, there is a rebound. Okay, this came here, came down. I personally think it's got the 0.382 sort of should be played out. But as I said, as I said, the price because sorry. Last thing, look what's also happening here. We have on the daily chart, we have 200 moving average. Didn't really break through, so it works out as a support at the moment. So we have another confirmation once this is gonna break through. So we have, let's say, even if it goes through 28, let's see, 20, which is moving average 200, and carries on going further, there's a huge possibility that the price will carry on going further down. And then we have certain supports at Fibonacci 38 and 50. As I said, if 50 will not hold, then the price will carry on going in further. I think that the downtrend will carry on going to lowest levels. But as I said, we're not in the business to predict anything. We are in the business to just analyze the data and just profit from that. And also sometimes what can be happening, as I call it, misbehavior or the currency, that there is a sort of chaos what do you call it, aspect of the currency you trade, which might do things which you don't expect it to do completely, though you might calculated everything in the right way. But as I said, as long as you've got tight risk management in place, you can't go wrong. So anyway, guys, good luck in trading. And as you know, you can get in touch with me with your queries, questions. I'm more than happy to respond. And as you know, I do provide managed Forex account services. So if you're interested to get in touch with me, I'm more than happy to do it for you guys. Anyway, have a lovely day. Have a lovely trading, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.